Alright, so set up the awning, just get this out of the front boot, get into this hole, and just wind it out. Once you sort of get it out about that far, you can come around here, have a look. So, got these legs that pop out, so you've got little levers, pull them out. They come down. There's a little lever on the side here, around this side, other side. So you got this little lever here, put that up, and I'll release this. So usually just extend it out at an angle like that, push it up to lock it in place like that. Do the same on the other side. Wind it out. Just move these out a bit further once you get it out. A bit. You keep winding it out until the top of it starts to go slack. See, sort of slacken off, and just go back a little bit. It's sort of tight again. It's sort of fully extended. Then you want to straighten up your poles. So you want to try and get the height of this so that there's a bit of sort of fall on the roof. So if it does rain, the water will drain off rather than sagging in the middle. Alright, so try and get them straight. Now you can, these legs here, you can get some pegs, peg them down to the ground. I won't do all that now, but pretty straightforward. And then you want to come around this side. These little arms that hold out. So that's what makes the top bit tight. So you sort of push that straight and lock in that arm. That keeps it nice and tight. Like that. Then you got the anti-flat kit here, so you don't have to put this up, but if it's going to be, you're going to be staying somewhere for a while and you don't want to have to pack up the awning if it gets a bit windy, this will make it a bit more stable. Alright, so this is the anti-flat kit, so you just put these together like that. I'll put this end in first. Just make sure you basically rest this end on the edge of the awning there and then line it up and put it in. Try and do it on an angle like that. It won't go in properly, so you've got to put it right down and then put it in. Make sure these are undone. And then the other end, there's a little spigot here, slots into that hole there. And just push them right out and tighten up that little bolt there, and then you want to pull the fabric sort of into these clamps, make sure it's nice and tight, and then clamp it down. You might need to use the stool to reach the top one. That's pretty much it. So then you've got to hook up the ropes. So if you've got a cordless drill, makes it easy. You can use these screw-in pegs, which I'll give you an adapter for it to screw them in. So basically put one through the bottom of this leg through the hole there to hold that down. And then this rope you've got to put on the end of that rope, just unravel the rope, but basically put the end of that rope through through this top hole here. You can see that. And then this little bar goes through there just to stop it pulling through. And then you pull that out basically on a 45-degree angle.
And there's a car coming. I know the car coming.
Pull that out on a 45-degree angle like that, and screw that in through the spring. And then you just tighten it up with this, make sure it's nice and tight, and that'll stop it from blowing away. If it starts to get really windy and you can hear the whole thing sort of creaking and flapping around a lot, then you're best to just pack it up. Get a few people to help you pack it up, because if it's going to be windy, then it's going to be a bit of a handful trying to pack it away as well. So pack it up. It's basically the reverse procedure. So make sure you release these stabilisers, so just push out on that to get it out. They clip in. And yeah, move these in a bit, extend them up a bit longer. It sort of supports it as you wind it in. Once it gets to about there, you fold these up all the way in. You can actually also, if you're just stopping for the day, you can actually connect these in to these on the side of the caravan when you've got the awning out to support it rather than pegging it down. So they just sit in there. These little slots. Come up. Push it in. And then you push it down to lock it in. So that sort of holds it if you got to extend it out like that. But if you're going to be staying somewhere for a few days, you're better off taking it down. It's a bit more sturdy. Just lift that up to pull it out. Lock them in. Wind it up. So under the bed here, storage under here. So there's a couple of tables under there. That's a ground sheet, so you can put down outside if there's no concrete there. Put that on the grass or the dirt. Stop your feet getting too dirty in the caravan and that. This is a shade sail, so that actually, if you pull it out, that rope bit there slides into a channel on the edge of the outside edge of the awning, and then you can sort of set it up as a wall on the side of the awning just to give you a bit more shade. There's a couple of bungee cords in the tool bag at the front to peg that down with.